to another video. Today we have a generator on sale at Costco. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. I just want to say that I went to Costco and I saw this. I saw it on, online on Facebook. This generator was on sale. A generator is very important. It's something that if the electricity goes out, or you know, if a family member's in trouble, they don't have an electricity, you can just have a generator. You know, take them a generator and pretty much save their day. You know, be a little bit more comfortable, run those appliances, maybe a TV or radio, charge their phone, stuff like that. So it's just, I consider something really important, something that's definitely going to help somebody out on a situation where the grid goes down. Now, you guys know what happened in Texas, that a lot of people don't have electricity. Well, this is something that if they would have had this. All right, the generator here, it's a Fifine inverter generator, 2000 watt peak, 1600 watt runtime, or run, you know, pretty much run. Peak and run, two different. Peak is only for a few seconds, like if you have an AC with a high surge, you know, it takes a lot of energy to start, or a fridge maybe. Usually an AC, it's going to be the worst ones that pull more electricity. Something like this, you could probably run a window shaker, maybe a 8,000, 12,000 BTU, something similar like that. I would say the biggest 12,000 BTU window unit. Still, it's in the hot states, having something like that, it's great. Anyways, so it is an inverter generator. This is one of the better ones. It does come with other things. Regular price is $449. It's on sale, $100 less for $349. I tried even Harbor Freight. I tried even other stores, Home Depot and stuff like that. I can't find a cheaper than $349. So this is the cheapest. Now, why would you buy something like this instead of a Honda? Well, there's a lot of people that can't afford $1,000. You know, if you guys are lucky enough to find it on sale, around $1,000. And you know what? Why not just, if you want to save for something like that, you know, maybe, you know, pay payments on something like that. Well, it's fine. You know, it's on you. Whatever you want to buy. A Honda is obviously very reliable, but you know what? This is something you can afford. Something that it will stay there and you know, eventually help somebody out that needs it, or yourself. So, anyways, very cheap. Here's another picture here. Here's a picture. They only had 3 left. I got one of the 3, so there was 2 left when I left. That's the way it looks. So it is 2000 watt, 1600 running, like I said. And one thing I like about this one, it does include a lot of accessories. So it includes an adapter for the RV. It does include 2 wires for parallel, so you can put 2 of them together and make it a bigger unit, a 4000 watt or 3600 watt. And then it does include some let's see here, a USB adapter. It does include oil and funnel and some wrenches, so you guys could change the oil. So it's a very complete kit, as you guys see there. Very complete kit. Those are the pictures. And then that's the other picture. It's model number W01682. It says recoil start gas portable generator. It says up to 9 hours of runtime. It says, what is this, 0.9 gallon or 3.4 liters. Maybe that's the capacity. And this is 80 cc, so it's a smaller unit. Obviously, you want something that's portable. Maybe your wife, your daughter, your son can carry around in case you're not around. You know, put it in the truck or whatnot. Anyways, and also I just wanted to mention that we did have some oil too on sale. It's not on sale, but I just wanted to point it out that it's always a good deal to buy it from Costco, because I don't know if you guys know, but big shout out to Project Farm. He's done a lot of videos with oil. You know, put this against Mobil 1 Valvoline, and this oil has always been rated top of the line. So be sure to check it out. They got SAE 5W30. They got 0W20, 15W, what is this, 40, and 5W30 or 0W30, I believe. And you got the prices up there for each one. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.